Hey friends, what's up? How are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty. This is my first video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you wanna run Google or anything or open a YouTube channel, first of all, you need a Gmail account. That is why I'm going to show you how to create a new Gmail account. Let's get started. First of all, you have to go to Google. You have to search create Google account. Then first website is Google support. Now create a Google account. Then now you will be asked for myself or for your business. Both of them you can use. Okay, I suggest you to use for myself. That means this only for you. Now you have to put your first name. I'm putting my name Tantu and the last name Nath. Okay, then click on next, and here you have to put your birthday and gender. I'm putting okay, just here 13 and here 2. Now gender. If you are man, you have to select male. Of or you are women, you have to select female. I'm male. Okay, and go to next. After that, here they suggested you to Gmail account. If you want them, you can click one of them. But if you don't want, you can make your own Gmail address. Okay, as you want. Okay, fine. I'm selecting one from here. Then click on next. Now you have to put a password. Okay, I'm putting a password. I'm showing the passwords to you now. Copying the password and also put here to confirm that. Okay, then click on next. Now get a verification code sent to your phone. That means in which number you want this Gmail account, you have to put your number. Okay, I'm putting my number 01875121 I put my number. You can see, you can select here which country you're from. I'm from Bangladesh, that is why I'm selecting Bangladesh. If you are from another country, you can select your country. Here the all of country's name. Okay, then next, click to next. After that you will get a code to your phone. Okay, বাহাত্তর তিপ্পান্ন ষোলো. Okay, I got this code to my phone number is 72516 72516. They'll put you 6-digit code. You have to put this code here. If you didn't get the code, you can also click on get new code. Okay, now then click on the next button. Okay, I'm clicking on the next. Now there suggested you to add a recovery email if you want it. That if you even if anytime you forgot this email, you can recover your email using this email ID. I'm not um, I'm not giving any recovery email. That's why I'm skipping. Now add phone number. First was here they suggested to put my phone number. Okay, I put it my phone number. Now you have to put your phone number here. If you don't want, you can escape. But I have to assure review your account info. That told me to create this account. That means my Google account is completed. Okay, if I click this next, then I will be another page, and I will scroll down, and I have to click on the I agree option. Okay, you will be get I agree option. Then if you click this option, you completely open a new Gmail account. Thank you for watching this video. If you are benefited from this video, do not forget to like, comment, share. Thank you. Take care of yourself.